So here I am. Got this Toro recycler lawnmower. It's got a 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Actually, it's a Tecumseh engine, excuse me. This guy gave this lawnmower to me. The problem now is it won't start. It has to do with this bracket right here. This is the brake bracket. I don't know if you can see this, but that bracket is bent. It's supposed to come straight out like this, not bent at an angle like this. And so I'm just going to bend that back, I think. I'm going to pull it off and look at it first, but I think you could just bend that back into place and it would start. So remember I said the problem was this bracket right here, and I didn't pull it off, I just kind of bent it back into shape. I was having trouble getting the flywheel off, so I decided to try a different route here. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test that. That bracket is the brake bracket, the engine brake bracket. When you pull this lever on the handle here, start the mower, that cable goes down to that bracket. When you pull that, disengages the brake off of the inside of the flywheel. Also what it does is it ungrounds this green wire, which is attached to this coil here. Let's see if I can get some good light. There we go. Attaches right there on that little tab. And when that's ungrounded, then you can get spark from the mower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this kill switch now, the brake cable or the engine kill cable. I've got my multi-tester here on continuity, so that when you touch the red and black contacts together, it beeps like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this red clip here to that ground wire, and I'm going to connect this black clip just anywhere on the engine, so that you have continuity between the two. You can hear it beeping there. So when I go up here to the handle and pull it, you can hear that it stopped. That means that it's not, that coil isn't grounded, so you'll get spark on the engine. And when you let go and you hear that beeping, that means that it's grounded, so you're not going to have any more spark. It'll kill the engine like this. So I'm going to put this mower back together. So I got this Toro put all back together. Getting ready to try and fire it up. One thing I did do also while I was working on it was I went through the carburetor and just cleaned it up a little bit. I replaced the primer bulb. So I think there was an air leak in there, so that's why I replaced that. Anyways, let's give it a prime, see if it starts. See if I can do this here. Running like a champ, I'd say. So I'm gonna post this thing on Craigslist and see if I can get some money for it. Again, I got this lawnmower for free. I spent roughly $4 on a primer bulb and about 2 hours
to get it up and running again. So hopefully I'll make some money. Alright.